Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to actually learn how to select a particular column that we want to work with, or like instead of us deliberately working with the entire column that is available. Let's go to our data that we are working with. Let me scroll down. This is data that we're working with. Supermarket says, let's say this data comprises of almost 23 column. Let me move this back. It comprises of almost 23 column. Let's say in a situation whereby we're interested in working with something like the unit price that is here. Want to work with the unit price, the quantity, the total price. So we can actually take this. We can also try to work with the date. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, let's also add the product line also to it. Okay, let me close this off. Let's say we're interested in working with this columns. So how can we do that in Python? You make use of pandas. It's basically simple. For us to do that, we're going to try to give this name a different name, but in my case I just want to be working with this data frame because I'm just trying to get a particular column from this of the data frame that I actually initialized earlier. So to do that, I'm going to make a data frame, and then we're going to use two square braces to actually put your colon on. If you make use of a single square braces, you are going to run to some issues. So to do that, I'm going to make two braces, and then here you are going to put everything, all the columns that you are interested in working. Make sure to set them in form of a string format, and then I'm going to separate them with comma. Sorry, but this supposed to be separated with comma. So I'm going to also do the same thing for this of our unit price. So I'm going to move it there. I can also do for that of our quantity. Let me put this in front. Then I'm going to make sure to separate them with comma. So I'm also going to do for this of our total price. Okay, also this should be okay. Let me put the date in front so we can make sense. You can see that in this method we can actually try to rearrange our data, our column name in the right way or the way we want it. It will no longer be present the way it was actually is. So I can then, okay, let me go back. I made a mistake. Okay, let me now print our data frame to us to see what we have currently. Also remember that you can decide to print out the head that you want. I can come here, like I explained earlier, if you make use of head, it's going to print out the first 5 rows. So you can also try to put it here. So once you put the head here, you also set the head here. If you're interested in getting that of the 5 row, you can set the head here. Once you set the head, what is actually going to happen is that it's going to print out only the 5 rows for you. So you don't need to actually set it here again, but you start to set it where any of your choice. So let me run let's see what we have currently on our environment. Okay, as you can see down here, we have the columns that we actually specified that we are interested in. You can see how simple that was. We actually picked a particular column that we want. I have a noun value inside there. I didn't know how that came in, but I'm going to fix it one way or the other. We can make use of the main. What do you have to do? Like everything we have done to this point, we are going to visit. I talked in my previous video before this some video before the particular video. I showed how you can actually fix a particular noun value. You can decide to remove the entire data frame, sorry, the entire row. You can decide to do other mathematical operation. You can decide to get the mean of these two and then to fill it with here. You can decide to fill it with anything of your choice. So it depends on how you want it to be. So you can see how like this, it was easier for us to actually pick the particular column that we want to work with. So these are basically what I want us to look at in this video. In our next video, we are going to make use of the way we actually presented. We are going to look at what is actually ranking and what is actually ruling. That's what basically we are going to do in the next video. So I think with this way, we are going to draw the curtain for this video. If you find this video, if you find anything useful in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also like and share with your friends who might be interested in this video. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.